Next topic that we are going to study is excretory system. Now we've already studied about the digestive system. That digestive system, with the help of digestive system also, our body is able to remove the waste, but that is the solid waste. What about the liquid waste? And there are many other ways also, not just digestion. Okay, what are the other ways that our body removes the waste from? It's from body removes the waste. क्या क्या तरीके हैं और कौन से तरीके हैं? हाँ, can you name some of them? In the process of respiration, okay, respiration is what? Respiration is breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. Now you know that we need oxygen for living. We all know that, है ना? But carbon dioxide is not required by our body, so that is a waste product that is not required by our body. So respiration के through हम waste product को we are throwing the waste products out of our body by the process of respiration. Okay, any other process जिससे कि हम waste product को we throw out from our body? Yes, एक तो वही हो गया, morning में you throw out the waste, that is through the process of digestion that I've already said. Now sweating also, by the process of sweating also the पसीना आता है, so that is also, the sweat is also is a kind of a waste that your body is throwing from itself, है ना? So these two are there. And the third system that we're going to study is a excretory system. कि excretion से भी, what we do with the help of excretion also, we throw the waste out of our body. Let me bring my duster. Okay, I left it somewhere. Okay, so we have excretory system. Now here one thing confusion is there, like we generally keep in our mind that excretion means that throwing out waste from our body. That is when we go in the morning, we pass to. No, that is not excretion, that is egestion. Okay, don't get confused. Urination is excretion. जब हम urine pass करते हैं, and that is called as excretion. Okay, excretion is what? Excretion is the passing of urine. Okay, now why do we pass this urine? Why can't we keep? Is it visible? It's not visible. I'll write brick. Excretion is what? Excretion से क्या करोगे आप? यूरिन को पास करोगे. ये पासिंग ऑफ यूरिन ओनली, दिस सिस्टम जिससे कि हम यूरिन को पास करते हैं, दिस टोटल सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. ओके, क्लियर? और जो वो वाला सिस्टम था जो हमने पढ़ा था, जो कि डाइजेशन था, उसमें हम क्या, उस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते थे? जब हम सॉलिड वेस्ट वी वुड थ्रो आउट ऑफ अ बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इजेशन. क्या बोलते हैं? ई से बोलते हैं, इजेशन. ओके, दैट इज नॉट एक्सक्रीशन. एक्सक्रीशन इज यूरिनेशन. Okay, now what does the need for urination comes? Why can't we keep all the water that we have inside our body? Again the same answer, because it is toxic, it is poisonous, it is not good for our body to keep toxic substances. अच्छा, ये waste जो है, हम time and again I'm saying कि digestion पढ़ा दिया मैंने, excretion पढ़ा दिया, I'm saying talking of waste again and again and again and again. But where does this waste generates from? कहाँ से आ गया? एक तो हमने फूड से आ गया. किससे आ गया? फूड से आया वेस्ट. हमने खाना खाया, है ना, ब्रेक डाउन हुआ, तो उसी फूड में जो अनवांटेड मटेरियल थे तो उससे जनरेट हो गया ये वेस्ट. और दूसरा जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा था ना, रेस्पिरेशन से वेस्ट, हमने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज की. जब हम अपनी बॉडी में रेस्पिरेशन का प्रोसेस करते हैं, वी टेक इन ऑक्सीजन, देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम, देयर इज अ रिएक्शन दैट गोज इनसाइड अ बॉडी, बिकॉज टू गेट एनर्जी लॉट मेनी थिंग्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड. सो दैट प्रोसेस ऑल्सो, व्हेन वी ब्रीथ इन ऑक्सीजन, द केमिकल रिएक्शंस दैट गो इनसाइड अ बॉडी, वी प्रोड्यूस वेस्ट. ओके, सो दीज आर जस्ट टू फॉर्म्स कि वेस्ट हमारी बॉडी में आया कहां से. नो सिमिलरली दिस यूरिन इज आल्सो प्रोड्यूस्ड इन आवर बॉडी. नो सपोज यू ड्रिंक सो मच ऑफ वाटर, इतना पानी पी लिया, इज इट गुड फॉर यू टू कीप ऑल दैट वाटर? No, suppose if you are drinking too much of water, your urge to pass urine, your urge to go to the washroom will be more and more and more and more. बार आप बोलोगे, है ना? So this system, this entire system is known as a excretory system. This system of passing out urine, throwing out the liquid waste from your body, this is the excretory system. Now what are the major organs? जब हमने digestive system पढ़ा था, so we talked about the major organs of the digestive system. The digestive system was very elaborately given in your books. But this excretory system is simple also, it's nice also. It's given in a points form in a books, and it's not that elaborate. Okay, so ये क्या है हमारी किडनी, क्या है ये किडनी, कैन यू सी? आई थिंक इट्स विजिबल दिस टाइम, है ना? दीज आर आवर किडनीज. ये हमारी कितनी होती हैं? वी हैव 2 kidneys, one here, one there, left and right. We generally make in diagrams ekdam, you know, just being side by side to each other. Generally one is little up and other one is little low, but it's fine for you to know that we have 2 kidneys. And okay, first I'll just mark this, and this is ureter. These 2 pipes, this and this is ureter, and this is, what is this? This is our urinary bladder. Okay, so I will write this also. This is our urinary bladder. Okay, BLADDER. And what is this? This is urethra. These are all organs which help us to pass this urine. Whatever excess water you have, whatever toxic substances, urine consists of toxic substances which need to be thrown out of your body. If you do not throw, you will be terribly sick. If you do not pass, like in digestion I explained that if you do not pass, you do not clear your stomach in the morning, you are going to be sick. Similarly, this urination is also important. So coming to the main topic, we have 2 kidneys. Now what is the shape of these kidneys? These are bean shaped. Bean क्या होता है? If you see a rajma seed, it looks like a bean. ये राजमा की तरह लगती हैं. अब हमारे घर में हम रहते हैं, we clean our house. So similarly, this start cleaning, either we do it ourselves or our maid does it, somebody does it for us. So ये किडनी भी वही cleaning का काम करती है. क्या करता है ये cleaning की काम कर रही है. So I will write it somewhere here also only. This kidney is doing the cleaning process for us. You can say like, if I've made tea and I have to strain it to drink it, otherwise what will tea leaves are going to come into my mouth. So these are like a strainer. This is going to strain. This is going to strain all the bad products, whatever is not required by the body. It is going to act as a strainer. ठीक है? It can act as a cleaner, as a strainer. जो भी आपको इसको understand करना हो. Okay, now these 2 pipes. If I talk of these 2 pipes, these are ureter. This is what? This is the right ureter. RIGHT. This is right, and this is what? This is the left ureter. This is the right ureter. This is the left ureter. Now, whatever waste is being filtered by the kidney through these pipes, it comes to the urinary bladder. Okay, here it comes. Now this urinary bladder has got a lot of capacity to hold lots and lots and lots and lots of urine. But do you think it is good for you to wait for it to get filled and then only pass, then only say that ma'am, may I go to toilet? It's not a good habit, and it will automatically create a lot of pressure on the urinary bladder. Okay, so don't wait for it to get entirely filled up. It's got a lot of capacity to hold urine, and when it gets filled, so you say, may I go to toilet? But that's not a good habit. You should timely pass urine, even before you at the just point of it. I just have to rush. You know, at times you're just going, you're just rushing. Don't rush. Throw out the toxic substances of your body before this is full. Okay. So all the waste, it comes, it gets collected here in the urinary bladder, and finally it is thrown out through this organ which is called as the urethra. Is this clear? So this is all about what is given as per your level, the excretory system. Okay, major organ किडनी. किडनी क्या करती है? ब्लड को प्योरीफाई करती है. जो भी वेस्ट मटेरियल आते हैं उसको ये क्या करती है? क्लीन कर देती है. If we have just one kidney, we can survive, but You need to eat healthy, drink water, take care of your body, and maintain your kidneys because they're very important organs. Kidney is an important organ. कभी कोई सुना है बोलता है what are the major organs? Some, if you ask some small kids, says heart is there, kidney is there, lungs are there, है ना? Kidney का name is also there. Does anybody says gallbladder and pancreas? These are names which we learn later in our life, but these are the major organs of our body. Please take care of them and pass your urine before it comes to a point that you cannot hold it. Okay.